Climate change, global warming, air, water and land pollution, fossil depletion, energy crisis, deforestation are some of the major issues that are destroying us. According to recent WHO research, air pollution kills 7.5 million people and billions of various species, and most regions don't have access to electricity. Transportation is responsible for 27% of air pollution, while the industry is responsible for 51%. Electricity generation from fossil fuel pollutes air, water, and land, and causes deforestation, fossil depletion, greenhouse gas emissions, acid rain, climate change, solid waste disposal, etc. The second largest source of greenhouse gases is traditional electricity production, and we get more than 65% of our energy from burning fossil fuels, which is detrimental to the environment. I am not only here to spot the problems, I am here to give solution. Presenting my innovation MEPAP, a clean hybrid energy harvester cum air purifier with University and IIT award-winning device.
My MEPAP harvests energy from vibration, thermal, wind, solar and electromagnetic radiation using metasurfaces, PZT, quartz, parylene C-coated monodisperse tin crystals embedded in carbon layer, cadmium telluride, lead telluride, monocrystalline silicon cells, etc. and produces a minimum power output of 1000 watt to run various industrial, domestic as well as hospital appliances. My MEPAP, as you can see, my MEPAP gets charged using the sound of my speech. My MEPAP also purifies various pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur oxides, acrolein, hydrocarbon, CFCs, formaldehyde, etc. This is an inlet of the MEPAP. It can replace vehicle mufflers ranging from two-wheelers, four-wheelers to heavy vehicles, and can also be inserted in the factory as well as home chimneys to purify air as well as to harvest energy. It is the special feature of the MEPAP's purification system is it has ICC and zeolite 4A, which is made using ceramic stereolithography and iron-loaded titanium dioxide-based photocatalytic oxidation technology and power filters, and along with various filters, it can purify major pollutants of the air 95% efficiently from the source, replacing exhaust systems. As you can see, my MEPAP is very compact and weighs around 1.2 kilogram, and it can replace any types of vehicle exhaust system as well as can be inserted in factory and home chimneys to purify air as well as to harvest energy from them. My MEPAP's storage system is detachable and can be used to operate various electrical appliances ranging from home to industries. MEPAP helps in reducing electric bills, air, water and land pollution, helps us in leading pollution-free society, and helps us in mitigating climate change as well as various environmental issues. Let us make pollution nowhere and electricity everywhere. Now you will be seeing my MEPAP demonstration in various vehicles and operating various appliances.
I have built a factory chimney setup over here. As I burn e-waste, medical waste, plastic, petrol, cigarettes, rubber, coal, etc., the fumes you see here contain various harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides, nitrous oxides, acrolein, CFCs, formaldehyde, hydrocarbons, and so on. Now you can see the real-time air purification data of MEPAP. You can see the air pollution is reduced tremendously. And MEPAP now harvests energy and gets charged from the polluted air passing through its solar heat as well as purifies the air. I will be inserting my MEPAP in the car exhaust. As you can see, my MEPAP dimension and weight are same as the exhaust system and performs the same function more efficiently as well as do the additional function of harvesting energy. My MEPAP can easily replace the exhaust systems of the vehicles. Now you will be seeing the real-time air purification data. As you can see, there is a tremendous reduction in the polluted level to 0.1, as well as you can see my MEPAP harvests energy from the polluted air and the heat of the engine. It saves in helping our climate mitigating project. As you can see, my MEPAP can be inserted in heavy vehicles like buses, trucks too. Inserting my MEPAP in public transport and heavy vehicles reduces air pollution level significantly and the power output will be amplified too. Now the real-time air purification data shows that pollutant levels are decreased enormously from 80% to 0.1, and MEPAP gets charged from the exhaust gas passing through it, heat, solar and vibration. My MEPAP can also be inserted in two-wheelers replacing their vehicle mufflers to purify air as well as to harvest energy. My MEPAP helps in reaching net zero carbon emission and achieving various SDGs. I had killed the power to this entire room, and now I will be operating various appliances like fans, lights, television and charge mobile using my MEPAP. As you can see, my MEPAP runs fans, light, charges mobiles as well as run television from the energy harvested from heat, solar, vibration, EM, wind from the vehicle exhaust and factory chimneys. So it is evident that my MEPAP can run various domestic, industrial as well as hospital appliances as well as purifies air. To conclude, my MEPAP is cost-effective, scalable, environmental-friendly product that helps us in reducing various environmental issues and achieving various sustainable developmental goals. Thanks.